Guess what, Apple fans? It's finally here. After months of anticipation and countless rumors, the iPad Mini 7 has officially landed. But is this pint-sized powerhouse worth your attention, or is it just another mini upgrade in a sea of Apple devices? Let's dive into the exciting features, new colors, and of course, the pricing. Oh, and stick around. There's a twist in the end that might just make you rethink everything you know about the iPad mini lineup. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. So, first things first, when is this little beast hitting the shelves? Mark your calendars. The iPad Mini 7 officially launches on October 23rd, 2024, with pre-orders starting October 16th. If you've been eyeing a mini upgrade, your wait is almost over. Now, here's the funny thing. Many of us expected the iPad Mini 7 to drop alongside the iPhone 16 back in September, but Apple made us wait. Typical Apple, right? Keeping us in suspense like it's the season finale of a TV show. But hey, as they say, good things come to those who wait. And trust me, it was worth the wait. Let's talk about the heart of this device, the A17 Pro chip. It's a major step up from the iPad Mini 6's A15 Bionic. This little chip is packed with power, specifically designed for handling artificial intelligence workloads and giving you faster on-device processing. The neural engine, it's twice as fast as before. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or just using Apple's new intelligence features, you're getting next level performance in a tiny package. So if you're into AI-powered apps or love squeezing every bit of performance from your tablet, this one's for you. Now, what about the display? Apple didn't go all out with OLED or 120 Hz promotion on the Mini 7. Those perks are still reserved for the iPad Pro. But what you do get is an 8.3-inch liquid retina display with 500 nits of brightness. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the dreaded jelly scrolling issue from the iPad Mini 6. You know, that weird screen glitch where one side refreshes faster than the other? Yeah, Apple finally addressed it. No more wobbling text when you scroll through your Instagram feed in portrait mode. Say cheese. The iPad Mini 7 has stepped up its camera game with a 22 megapixel ultra-wide front camera and a 12 megapixel wide back camera. Perfect for video calls, selfies, and even document scanning, thanks to some nifty machine learning tricks. So whether you're snapping pics or scanning important papers, it's got your back. Design-wise, Apple's sticking with what works. The iPad Mini 7 keeps the sleek all-screen design with squared-off edges. If you love the look of the iPad Mini 6, then good news, you're getting the same chic design here. No need to fix what isn't broken, right? Goodbye 64 gigabytes. The base model now starts at 128 gigabytes, double the previous generation. And for the storage-hungry folks, there are also 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes options available. That's a lot of space for your apps, movies, and photos. And battery life? Don't worry, even with all that power, the iPad Mini 7 promises an all-day battery life of up to 10 hours. It's the perfect on-the-go companion whether you're binge-watching Netflix, tackling emails, or doodling away. Oh, and let's not forget the colors. Apple introduced some fresh shades for the iPad Mini 7, including blue, purple, starlight, and classic space gray. Which one are you picking? Let me know in the comments. All right, time to talk numbers. The base Wi-Fi model starts at $499 for the 128 gigabytes version. But if you need that sweet cellular connection, it's going to cost you. The cellular model kicks off at $649. And if you want even more storage, expect to shell out extra for the 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes models. Now, let's get real for a second. Should you actually buy the iPad mini 7? Here's the deal. If you're still rocking an older iPad mini or want a smaller, super portable tablet, the iPad mini 7 could be the perfect upgrade for you. It's fast, it's compact, and it's packed with new features like Apple Intelligence. But if you've already got the iPad mini 6 and you're happy with it, there's not that much of a leap here. Sure, the chip is faster and the cameras are better, but no OLED screen, no promotion, and honestly, you might not feel the difference if you're not a power user. So what do you think? Is the iPad mini 7 worth the upgrade? Or are you sticking with what you've got? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on all things tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.